Going on, it's Waleed. I appreciate you watching this video, checking in with me right here, man. And I'm finna just tell you some real good, valuable information. All right, pretty much we're gonna go through a series of items, and we're gonna get into the nitty gritty of ecom, truth and the real about ecom, what it takes to be successful with ecom nowadays and today. Now, first of all, what you need to know is Ecom, short for e-commerce, pretty much selling physical products. It's not a fad. It's not nothing that's going to come and go and nothing like that there. E-commerce has always been around. Always been around. Before you was buying digital products, before you was buying ebooks, before you was buying downloads, you was buying actual products. You was going to the store, you was actually buying books. You still go to the grocery store, you actually buy food. You go to the mall, you actually buy clothes, CDs, necklaces, trinkets, all that stuff there. So let me give you a few items that just always sell. This little doohickey right here, this is what they call, you've seen this before. It's a charging bank. It's a charging power bank. People always get these nowadays. Some will work better than others, but they always get these. So in this case, they're in a situation where they can't power their phone. They're supposed to be able to put the cord on their phone and it should charge their phone up at least to 50 to 70%. So these always are good. They always sell. Pretty much the bigger ones, the more power ones, they charge them up higher for a longer amount of time. Some of them carry 2 charges, but these always sell. Always sell. This right here, you know what this is. Every time the summer comes, everybody has these around their neck. Pretty much you just stick your phone in it and it seals your phone and it keeps your phone dry. So when you go to a water park or you go to the pool, you'll be able to get in the pool, go in the water, take pictures on the water. People hold their phone in here, money, credit cards, debit cards, so their hands can be hands-free when they go to Six Flags, Disney World, Universal Studios, Busch Gardens. So these things always sell. These are a hot item, especially in the summertime. And what happens is you go to these stores, you don't bring one, but then when you go to the gift shop of the actual amusement park, they're on sale for $19, $13, even $20. I done seen. But then you can go to get it offline a whole lot cheaper. This right here. These are items that I got. This right here. What are these? Let me show you. Water shoes. Designer water shoes. These things are a blessing. I'm telling you, look at this right here. Straight, durable. These are the water shoes you can just slip on. You ain't got to worry about flip-flops and nothing like that there. Then when you take them off, look. They roll up. They roll up simple, easy. You can stick them in your pocket. You got a cargo pocket on or whatever if you don't want to wear them no more. But they're designed to dry real quick and you can walk around the whole park or stay in the water park with these on. You don't have to worry. People really get these because they, are worried about, how dirty people have. They fear about public schools, how dirty the water is, what are people doing in the water and all that stuff there. But these are all ecom things that make millions of dollars every year. And you can easily set up a funnel for any one of these and make money on it every day. As soon as the orders come in, all you gotta do is ship it out. Now, one of the best things that people do when they make these funnels is they do free shipping funnels. You've seen those all through Facebook, all through Instagram, where you click on it, you can get this item and they'll ship it to you for free. Or you can get the item, they set up the item where it's free and you just pay for shipping. Each one of those work because the consumer feels they're getting a discount on one or the other. Oh man, I'm getting this and they're gonna ship it for free. Oh, I'm getting this and all I gotta do is pay for the $6, $7 in shipping. And that works so good when they have the traffic going to everybody's Instagram. All right. Now, this is something that you want to get into. I have a great course, great system. It's the Ecom funnel system, instant Ecom funnel. All right. It's going to pretty much give you a breakdown of all the stuff that you need to make a great funnel. To make a great funnel for your ecom. And we talking about just one item. You've seen the free t-shirt. There's a free t-shirt item that has made $10,000 this month. With LeBron going away to the Lakers, there have been Lakers shirts that have made $15,000 within the last 5 to 6 days since the announcement was made, and they have the proper training and the great funnel to go behind it. So just off this right here, if you look at any of these items and you got any of them or you've seen them on any of your ads or whatever, What I want you to do, if it's still on your mind and you want to get the best training in this, there's a link below. Click the button and look at this system, look at this course that they got for us to go ahead and create the best econ system. All right, the funnel econ system, how to place your product, how to pick the product, how to put it on, what to advertise on, what you want the buyer to go ahead and see, and pretty much what type of button to construct, and how to take them further through the funnel to get them to the checkout line. All right, below is a list of everything that it comes with. They got light and pro versions, and if you go ahead and get it, you email me your receipt, I have a special bonus dealing with AliExpress that I want to send you. All right, so go ahead, the ball's in your court. Don't pass upon this, and I'm gonna hit you with another video further telling you about this course and all the stuff they got in the back end. All right, so take it easy, take action, click that link below, and just give it a once over, give it a look over, and I'm telling you, you don't want to pass this up. Peace.